guys, today we are playing AWOO for Ada, aka AWOO, basically. Stoke, oh my gosh. Wait, where's Stoke? Oh, he's just there. Is there any coins? Oh no. I have a bad feeling about this. Oh my gosh. York! Don't kill anyone. Why did you? Oh! Oh my god. Nora's dead. Nora is dead, guys. Nora is dead. Wait, I think Abyss is there. Alright. Let's see. Him just being him. Why is the time like so limited? Oh, Oh, somebody screamed. Somebody screamed. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Dude, who is that? York. Stokely is basically, yeah, not the impostor. Come on, Stoke. Dude, that scared me so much. Come on. Valerie is probably not it. And this, oh, this guy is Primrose. It's either Primrose or Rufus. Oh. Who is he? Who is this person? Oh, Valerie's dead. How? Because how do I know? It's probably because the fact that he is hiding in. No, the bow. Dang, this guy's good. Oh wow, wow, you are sneaky. Rufus not being sneaky because it's easier to find, and then this guy is not also being sneaky, and then this guy. That's it. It's gonna know where everyone else if he does that, basically. Yeah, I died. Oh, that was the Aiden. Okay, that makes sense. Gosh. Aiden was like, Alden. Oh my gosh. Bro. Oh my gosh. Come on, come on. I'm just gonna say fine. Oh, it's still so cold. Okay. Oh well. I don't really have anything. So okay, fine. Okay. Chill. Come on. I wanna. Oh no! Dang it! Oh, this is such a cheat. I'm gonna go. You have got to be kidding me. We just started. Leonardo DiCaprio. Speaking of, dude, that is such a weird position to die. Alright, guys. You guys can do this. I can't even get a piece. Oh my gosh, Alton, what is Harry Trio is basically the what is he doing? Checking the rooms to see the where I was hiding. Oh damn! Go get him. It's in the common hiding place for a person is literally in the roof. Yeah, that's literally exactly what I said. Fern is hiding, Darren is walking, and dead. Apparently, two of them are still alive. Congrats. Me and Leonardo DiCaprio is dead, basically. Where's the other one? Oh yeah, Fern is like... Oh my gosh, you just literally... You think you can... Oh, she picked up the bow. Go grab. This guy's literally... Oh no, this guy did. Oh. Alright, last one standing. Where's the guy? Oh, you missed. You're gonna have to face him. What are you doing? You will have to like go get him. Huh? You have to time it. Time it. Where's... Whoa. Ah, escaped. I see. Oh. Stokely is the... Yeah. Sad. We can't even win. Guys, don't leave. Don't leave. Hold on. Please let me be the wolf. Higher chance. Yes! I'm the wolf. I'm the wolf. What? Somebody already screamed. I'm basically gonna be just a genius. No, it's a short version. No, they know. Oh no, did I blow my cover? No, I did not. Right. I'm gonna say help. 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 Where are they? Help. 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 I hate you, Rufus. Guess what? Oh, 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 oh. Where the hell are you? Where the hell are you? Carnage. Ah. Wouldn't I like be able to see them? Okay. It's on. It's in there. Don't wait. Cannot wait to kill you. Where is he? Where is he? Where the hell is he? Where is he? Where's that guy? That guy is literally trying to play hide and seek in a mansion. Okay, he's right there. Wait. Right. Dang it! I almost killed him! Darn it! No! I almost killed him! Fuck you. I don't care. I don't care really. Can I like disable the chat? Cause I hate it. Can you guys just like, I don't know. I actually want the mansion better. It's like, it's smaller. The mansion is like smaller. So yeah. Wait, what is this? Is it this? Is this Oh! I'm Benedict Cumberbatch. Oh my gosh. Where am I? Damn. Oh, we're in the village. Gosh. I'm gonna say sup. 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 I'm innocent. Yada yada. Where are they? Yup.
Oh, tignan mo, kakasal mo nga lang, sasabihin mo sa akin. Pagkatapos mo mag-asal, ha?
Where are you?
Uy, nakikita na ako.
It's funny. Really funny. Who you guys are? Who are you guys like into now, huh? Where are you? Where the hell are you? Where are you? Oh, I knew it! Stop! This is like one question mark over that. See, this is one of the reasons. Alright? Can we go now? Cause like, oh my gosh. I'm gonna pretend that wasn't me. Who was it? Who was it?
Report na yung guys, guys. Sinadya na yan.
Like, cause I don't want to get. I just don't. If I'm gonna be, aw, boring. I'm basically like a loser. Where should we go? Sorry about my sister. She's like, I don't like her, really. Come on. Am I short? I'm not that short, guys. Ooh, interesting. I'm ready to scream Benedict. Maybe it's not him. Who knows? Get out! Get out! Oh my gosh, I think I hear them. Nice. Alright, where is it? Where are they? Where's the town? Sus. Interesting, interesting. No, no, bad boy. Bad boy. Dang it. Alright guys, that is all for today's boring, lame. I keep losing and it sucks. So yeah, that's it for today. Bye guys, like and subscribe I guess.